Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can clear QA on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Spotify, you just want to simply go to right bottom corner, and next to the devices available you're going to see QA. And right now you're going to see next in QA, and you just want to simply click here clear. And right now everything else will be deleted. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah. So see ya.